In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member on Monday.com. Managing your team's workspace efficiently is crucial, and sometimes that requires making changes to the team list. So, let's dive in and show you how to remove a member effectively. First, you need to navigate to your board on Monday.com. Your board is the central hub where all your tasks and team interactions live, so it's the starting point for any changes you need to make. Once you've accessed your board, take a moment to review any important information or tasks that might be relevant before proceeding with member modifications. With your board in view, direct your attention to the top section of the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Invite. Though it might seem counterintuitive since you're looking to remove a member, this is exactly where you'll find the list of current team members in the workspace. Go ahead and click on this Invite option. This section provides you with an overview of the team, who's on it, their roles, and any other crucial collaborator details. Take your time here. It's a good idea to cross-reference this list with your team management plan to ensure you're making the right adjustments. Now you should see a comprehensive display of the names of all the people who have access to your board. This list is a convenient snapshot of your team, enabling you to quickly assess and modify your personnel lineup as needed. Each name will be associated with icons that denote specific actions you can take. To remove a member, look for the icon that resembles a crown or more appropriately, a drop-down arrow next to each member's name. This will open up additional options. Clicking this icon will reveal the action you need. Select the option to remove to initiate the process. Be deliberate and double-check your choice here to avoid any unintended removals. Clicking the Remove option sends a notification to both parties, ensuring transparency and clear communication. As a best practice, it's useful to inform the member beforehand about their removal to maintain professional relationships, and along with that, make sure to check that no tasks or important information are tied solely to the person you are removing to avoid any workflow disruptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently manage your team roster on Monday.com. Ensuring your workspace remains streamlined and organized. Maintaining a tidy digital space is just as important as a physical workspace, so be sure to periodically review your member list as your team evolves and projects change. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.